Make a great choice today with the 2016 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, front floor mats. Come take a test drive today.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.